Everybody, yes, it is March 5th, and I'm over here at Coca-Cola Park. Winter's almost over, time to start thinking spring. Well, Coca-Cola Park, for anybody who doesn't know, who isn't familiar with it here in Lehigh Valley, is the home of Lehigh Valley Iron Pigs, which is the AAA minor league team for the Philadelphia Phillies. This is pretty much the last stop before they get to the majors, or where they go if they have an injury and have to get a game or two in for rehab before going back up to the majors. And I have to give a very special thank you to my father, who yesterday he sent me a text. Oh yeah, they have they have food and the park's open for a free preview free preview tomorrow. So thank you to my father for letting me know about this. Now, this is the first chance fans have to buy single game tickets here at the park. And Lehigh Valley Iron Pigs, one thing I take notice to, again, thanks to my dad, I came back into Lehigh Valley in September 2011, 2010. May of 2011 was my first actual Iron Pigs game, thanks to him. And as you can tell, this park is gorgeous. All right, this park is just so beautiful, and ticket prices are very reasonable for the individual and the entire family. It's very cheap. You can bring your whole family out here, have a great time, honestly. Whether you're sitting out there, you see that grass section, it's general admission. We're down the first baseline. You have the upper deck, the clubhouse, special sections over there for organizations that have want to have picnics. And I'll tell you what, I can guarantee you, your kids will definitely have a great time here, because one thing I have checked out and reviewed some of the Iron Pigs games in the past, and one thing I love about them is as you can tell from today, they're about the fans. They, in between innings, they get lucky fans down in the field. Today, they opened up the park despite the freezing cold temperatures, and they thankfully even have hand warmers here. And they opened up the park and said, hey, you know what, we want to give you the experience. We made some changes to the park, and we want to give you a first-hand experience. So this is one organization in sports, at the minor league level, that really cares about the fans and really does their best for the fans. The mascots are fantastic, cute as all hell, second only to the Philadelphia Phillies fanatic. So if you are, when it comes to sports, outside of youth sports, I'm very hard pressed to recommend anything. But I highly, if you live in Lehigh Valley, you want a great time, you want an afternoon or evening of a lot of fun, and just to bring the family out and say, hey, you know what, we're going to do something different, especially if you're not a sports fan. I highly, highly recommend coming out to an Iron Pigs game. Even if you don't love baseball, even if you're not a sports fan, just come out here and trust me. I'm not really into sports. I'm more music, arts, creative, writing, etc. But every time I come out here, I have a blast. All right. I'm usually get the general admission. When I do sit down, it's out there in the grasses section. Now, just a quick heads up though. It's something I told my dad, that my dad told me in my first game, and I didn't believe it until the third pitch. If you're walking around, if you're sitting in a section that isn't covered, especially down low, be careful foul balls. Quick safety tip here, because they do come right over your head, literally. But yeah, like I said, if you're visiting the area this spring, summer, or summer, make sure you make plans. Buy your tickets online, or check to see if your game's sold out. If you're in the area for a festival, for a family picnic, family reunion, whatever, church picnic, and you want to do it last minute, check online, see if the game's sold out. And if it isn't, definitely bring yourself. And if you have a family and kids, trust me, you will have a fantastic time. Now, just one other tip. I've covered opening day here a couple of years ago. If you plan on coming early in the season around opening day, check the weather and be prepared for it, because I froze my ass off and I had a winter jacket on. But other than that, like I said, I highly recommend this. Michael Phoenix, founder of the magazine from Coca-Cola Park here, the home of the Lehigh Valley Iron Pigs. Thank you. Thanks to everybody for the support. We're almost out of winter here. We're almost out of winter. But above all, stay safe. And to all the people who sponsored and businesses sponsored the magazine, without you, none of this could be possible. Thank you. Take care. You never, if you're in Lehigh Valley, you never know. You might see me around. Stay safe. If you celebrate it, Easter's coming. Easter and Passover coming up. Have a very happy and blessed Passover and Easter. I'll see you around later.